Welcome students. Today we will see ISO Unit 5 in Total Quality Management. Before seeing ISO, we should know what is Quality Management System. So Quality Management System is a set of coordinated activities to direct and control an organization in order to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of its performance continuously. So ISO is not a acronym. This word is derived from Greek word isos means equal. International Organization for Standardization. Define quality as quality system is the organizational structure, responsibilities, procedures, process, and resources for implementing quality management. In short, QMS involves how method and process disruption. Then who is the responsibility for the process description? Then when, record and events, and where about, identification and traceability. So ISO established in 1942 in Geneva, Switzerland. It is an association of national standard bodies of more than 150 countries. It is a specialized agency. So aim of ISO is to create coordination and unification of international standards. It employs technical committee, subcommittee, work group. So system is well understood and effective. So this is based on problem prevention rather than problem detection. So in this unit, we will see ISO 9000 and ISO 14000. So ISO 9000 is for business dealings, then product, material process, quality management, customer satisfaction. Every organization is concerned with the quality of its product or service. To assure the quality, one has to ensure the quality. To ensure the quality, it is necessary to make quality assurance system. Sound quality assurance system require well-defined quality system standards. Quality and standardization are the two essential prerequisites for an organization to market its product and service in the competitive business environment. So what is the reason for implementing this quality system? For improving employee involvement, improving housekeeping, decision making based on facts and data, customer satisfaction, safe working place, reducing customer complaints, then reducing inspection effort, reducing quality cost, etc. So what are the objectives of ISO 9000? To achieve, maintain and seek to continuously improve product and service quality in relationship to requirement. Second objective is to improve the quality of operations to continually meet customers and stakeholders' stated and implied needs. Then to provide confidence to internal management, to provide confidence to customers and other stakeholders, to provide confidence that quality system requirement are fulfilled. So what to be kept ready for ISO 9000 standard? Technical report, handbook, web-based document and quality management assurance. So, who are the responsible technical and subcommittee? The expert or the responsible for developing ISO 9000 standards. So here we have some classification, otherwise known as ISO 9000 family of standards. So ISO 8402, developed in 1986, gives importance to various terms, vocabularies. ISO 9001, developed in 1987, it indicates design, development, production, installation, and servicing. ISO 9002, 1987, developed in 1987, it indicates production and installation. For example, road construction, bridge, dam, and civil structure. ISO 9003, 1987, it indicates final inspection and about testing. ISO 9004, 1987, it tells about guidelines for quality management, that is quality culture. Then ISO 10011 in 1990, it provides guidelines for auditing quality system. ISO 10011 1991, it tells about roles of auditors, responsibilities, executing and reporting. ISO 10011, developed in 1992, tells about evaluating and qualification of auditors. ISO 10011, developed in 1993, it shows establishment of audit functions. So what are the elements in ISO 9000? So here we can see management is the field responsible for implementing this quality system. Then contract review, design control, documentation, purchasing, purchaser or customer supplied product, product identification and traceability, process control, inspection testing. So these are the elements we can find out in ISO 9000. When implementation of quality system. So very first is we have to get support from the top management commitment. If they don't provide any resources or any direction, it is impossible to implement quality system in the organization. So top management commitment in order to provide resources and direction is very essential. Then appoint expert or representative. So there should be some expert and experience in implementation of quality system. Then create awareness. Now here we have to teach the process implication of this ISO program. So this happens only involvement by teaching and creating awareness. Then form team. From all level and department, we have the team should be formed. That is interact and where decision is taken, ideas and planning is done. Then training. So here freshers, existing supervisor, team members, all the workforce should be trained about this ISO system, quality system, through seminar, workshop, or guest lecture. Then time schedule. Actually, this vary according to size or type. So there should be a systematic carry out for implementation this quality system. Then select element to assist the team for ISO work, 15 leaders should be appointed. Then review the present system. We have to review the present system and find out the gap. What are the changes and how this continuous improvement is going to be done? Who has to done when? All the copies should be checked and updated. Then write the document. So quality documents to be prepared. It should be done by employee who perform their job. And the next one is install the new system. So here we have to integrate into day-to-day workings into actions. Then internal audit. This internal audit is conducted to make corrections before ISO final auditing. So here we can learn more effectively and efficiently. Then management review. It is done to determine the effectiveness of system to achieve quality goals. Pre-assessment, it is an optional step. If the job is done good, no need for pre-assessment. Then finally, registration process will be carried out where award of ISO 9000 certificate will be provided. And the next topic is documentation. So what is documentation? It is evidence or for reference. So what can be the benefit? It gives clarity, it is systematic, give consistency, and make everyone involvement. Then what are the required documents? Actually, policy, manual, rules and regulations, that is, then procedure means methods, who, when, where to do. Then work instruction, that is written by employees for their job, that is manufacturing process, how it has to be carried out. And finally, record, format, forms, which is required stamp and signature. So all these are the required document in quality system. Then auditing. It is carried out to see if quality system is effective or not. So here we have feature like who, and who is the auditor who well versed and should be qualified in the quality system. Then what to audit, like product, process, system, service. Then how, the information gathering activity, not it should not be a police kind of activity. Then where internal and external purpose, whether it is conducted for internal or external purpose. Then types of audit. First party audit, which is done by internal. Second party is done by another organization on supplier like by customer. Then third party is independent organization on supplier for accreditation. Then what are the main objective of audit? Determine conformity and non-conformity, meet requirement. Audit helps to meet objective. It also evaluate one's own organization quality, and audit helps recognizing by the third party. So for carrying out the auditing, we have four stages. First, we have to plan, that's audit planning, where we have to prepare a schedule, appoint auditor, give notification to auditee, then prepare checklist, what are the list of questions to be asked in audit. Then second stage is audit performance. Opening or entry meeting to know the scope of auditing should be conducted. Then inspection should be conducted. Then third stage is audit reporting. So here we summarize the findings and corrective action if required will be taken. The last step is audit follow-up. Means within a time period, the corrective actions to be initiated. We have to see whether initiated or not. Next topic is ISO 14000. So it covers environmental management system, environmental auditing, environmental performance evaluation, life cycle assessment, environmental aspect in product standard. So after success of ISO 9000, another standard for environmental management came in 1992, that is ISO 14000. To encourage cleaner, safer, healthier world for all, we need this ISO 14000. Not only for that, to compete, to start in other countries, to make the customer to think that they safeguard the people. For all this purpose, we need to implement ISO 14000. Here also we have ISO 14000 series. ISO 14001 represent EMS, that is Environmental Management System specification. So here we have some element to get registration certificate. ISO 14004 indicate guidelines and principles. ISO 14000 indicates environmental auditing principles, that is internal and external auditing. ISO 14011 guidelines about environmental auditing. 14012, it shows qualification, personal attribute, and skills of environment auditor for environmental auditing. Then 14031 indicates guidelines that monitoring and measuring for environmental performance analysis. Then product evaluation. Under product evaluation standard, we have environmental aspect in product standard. That is how the product standard is developed. And 14,020 in 2000, label and declaration. It shows label and declaration. Means what are the basic principles for the environmental labeling to be followed. Then 14,021, again labeling and declaration means where we can see terms and conditions. Then in ISO 14,022, it indicates symbol. Then 14,023, it indicates guidelines for labeling and declaration. Then 14,024, it tells about labeling or seal. 14,040, life cycle assessment, that is application and limitation principles. 14,041, review and goal of life cycle assessment. 14,042, impact of life cycle assessment. So here we can see some terminology in environmental management system. Environment, it is consists of flora and fauna. Environmental aspect means water wastage, air emission, all this is aspect. Environmental impact, it may be negative or positive. Environmental objective, to safeguard and control the environment. Environmental target, so percentage of objectives like reduce to 3% carbon. So what are the requirements of ISO 15000? So general requirement, environmental policy, then legal aspect, environmental aspects, legal aspect, objectives and target, environmental management program, structure and responsibility, training, awareness and competency, communication, then EMS document, document control, operation control, emergency preparedness and response, monitor and measurement, non-conformance, records, EMS audit, management review. All this is essential for ISO 14000 implementation. So what is the concept of the ISO 14000? So here we can see with the help of environmental policy, we plan, then implement, that is execute the action or operation. Then we have to check or correct whether action carried out properly or not. Then if need, management review can be done. Then again it will go to the planning stage. So this is called continuous improvement in environmental management system. So what are the benefits of this ISO 14000? Global as well as organization. There will not be any trade barrier while doing global business. Then organizational benefit means for customer, employee and investor, they will have benefits. Next is TS16949. It is for automotive industry. So it is a technical specification aiming to the development of a quality management system that provides for continual improvement and emphasize defects prevention and the reduction in variation and waste in the supply chain. So it is based on ISO 9000 published in March 2002 as TS 16949. So this TS 49, TS 16949 apply to the design, development, production and installation and servicing of automotive related products. So here also this is also validity for 3 years. Then other type of standard like AS 9001, that is for aerospace industry, this standard is provided. For telecommunication industry, TL 9000 is provided. Automotive industry, TS 16949, what we just seen now. what are the documents required for this? QS 9000, then Advanced Product Quality Planning, FMEA, Production Part Approved Process, Quality System Assessment, Statistical Process Control, that is SPC, then Measurement System Analysis. So these are the documents is necessary for getting PS 160. Then what are the quality awards? Australian Business Excellence Award, China Quality Award, Dubai Government Excellence Award, Dutch Quality Assessment Netherlands, Egypt Government Excellence Award, Indonesia Quality Award, Iran National Quality Award, King Abdulaziz Quality Award, then Korean National Quality Management, then Prime Minister Quality Award, Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award, Singapore Business Excellence Award. So, a performance excellence model, that is quality award, were created in response to demand for more transparent method of assessing and comparing the performance of organization. So, quality award is independent assessment of organizational performance that provide information on how well an organization operates. So, quality award is a formal recognition of outstanding performance that demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement, innovation, and customer satisfaction. These awards recognize organizations that consistently exceed expectation regarding quality, service, delivery, and responsiveness. So these are the various quality given to organization for their outstanding performance. Thank you, students.